This video is a paid partnership with Google. Does your drab winter skin need an infusion of nutrients? Well, I have just what you're looking for to feel beautiful with this plant-based natural elixir. Hey Busy Bees! I've been in desperate need of some color or even some life to my dull and dry skin. But since it's still cold and rainy out, I thought we would give our skin a healthy boost from the inside out. This past weekend, I went to the farmer's market to grab some seasonal produce because if they can thrive in these cold winter months, imagine what they can do for our skin. I love eating seasonally, and some studies have shown that certain crops can have up to 3 times more nutrients when grown in season. Also, buying from the farmer's market, the fruits and vegetables don't travel as far, so they don't lose those vital nutrients. Let's see what we can find here. I'll turn on Google Lens on my Pixel 3 to help identify some interesting fruits for our beauty elixir. Ooh, blood oranges! And some Meyer lemons. A burst of citrus? Now these are definitely seasonal and good. These are cherimoyas? I'll try one. Google Lens lets you search what you see, you get stuff done faster, and you interact with the world around you. Exclusive to the Pixel 3 is its in-camera lens suggestion that works in real time to identify food, animals, clothes, and even furniture that might catch your eye. Just point the Pixel camera and it'll get you the info you're looking for. It is such a cool feature. And oh, what is this? Buddha's hand? Whoa, this thing is so gnarly and it smells so good. I'm gonna have to try this. I'll grab a few other things while I'm here. I've heard such great things about Bub and Grandma's bread. We waited 30 minutes in line just to nab some freshly baked bread. My mom and Aircy love their baguettes. Wait. Let's take a group selfie. I'll do the wide angle mode in my photo booth feature to capture all of us and the farmer's market behind. Cheese! Boom! Cute! All right, now let's make our skin glow. So here I have those interesting fruits that I found earlier at the market. We have blood orange with a red flesh. It's so beautiful. Our Meyer lemon, the cherimoya, which is like a soft, custardy, sugary apple. This Buddha's hand, which I have no idea what to expect, but the farmer said to use it as I would like a carrot, so slice it in salads or use it in a smoothie, which is perfect for our beauty elixir. The farmer also said this is called Buddha's hand because they like hold it and pray like this. It's really cool. Look, like folded hands, like this. And then I also grabbed a pomegranate and a navel orange. All right, let's make our skin glow. To make our drink, I'll add a blood orange that I've already peeled along with our navel orange into a blender. Oranges are great for vitamin C, fiber, and phytonutrients. Next, I'll add the juice from half of our Meyer lemon, which is a little bit sweeter than your typical lemon. Lemons are great for detoxification, to balance out your pH level and acidity, to cleanse and purify. I missed a few seeds, but make sure you scoop any out because it'll make our elixir a little bitter. Got him. Half of our cherimoya that I've already de-seeded and skinned. This has anti-aging properties, is full of antioxidants and vitamin C, which helps with collagen production. A 1/4 cup of our Buddha's hand, which is great for reducing inflammation, and it also helps with menstrual issues. This Buddha's hand is so interesting. It smells exactly like a lemon, but inside it looks like a squash. Like there's no juice or anything from it. Have you guys ever cooked with this before? And I would love to know what you've made or what you've seen it made with because I want to use this more. A 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds that can facilitate skin repair and cell regeneration. Finally, a small knob of ginger that helps in aiding digestion, nausea, and it also adds a spicy kick that pairs so well with our pomegranate and oranges. And now I'll add 2 cups of water, give or take maybe 1.5 cups, depending on the size of your blender, and some ice to make it nice and frothy. And now we'll give it a whirl. And that's our beauty elixir. Look at this beautiful color from the blood oranges and pomegranates. Oh, and it smells super citrusy and refreshing. So not only is this a refreshing drink, but I know it's doing plenty good for my body. Let's give it a try. Whoa. It's sweet, citrusy. I definitely taste the Buddha's hand. So interesting. And it's just a beautiful looking drink. Give this drink a try and I hope it brightens and helps you glow from the inside out. Thank you so much to Google for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!